Hello friends, today in Math Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry we will see the exercise 7.1. First question is given that find distance between 2 points. So in first question, first one is given A to 3 and B for 1. So AB distance we can find with the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So now we know that these 2 points we take as x1 y1 and this we take x2 y2. Then 4 minus 2 square plus 1 minus 3 square. So 4 minus 2 square it is 2 square and 1 minus 3 it is minus 2 square. So 2 square plus 2 square, 4 plus 4 it is root 8 means it is 2 root 2. Now the second question is given minus 5 7 and minus 1 3. So again we take A and B, then according this formula it will be x2 minus x1, so minus 1 minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square, and so it is minus minus plus and plus minus minus, so 5 minus 1 it is the 4 square plus minus 4 square, so it is 16 plus 16, 2 times 16, and so it is 4 root 2. Now third point is here AB and minus A minus B. So we apply the distance formula, that AB equals to under root minus A square plus minus B square. So it is minus A minus 2A square plus minus 2B square. So minus 2A square, that is the 4A square plus 4B square. And so 4 we take out common, so it will be 2 under root A square plus B square. Now we have a question to find the distance between 0 0 and 36 15. So A0 0 Ax1 y1 is given 0 0 and Bx2 y2 is given 36 15. Then if we apply the distance formula, AB equals to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and so it will be 36 minus 0 square plus 15 minus 0 square. So 36 square is 1296 plus 15 square 225. We add them, then 6 5 11 carry 1, 9 10 2 12 carry 1, 2 1 3 2 5, and here 1 5 2 1, that is the square of 39, and so AB equals to 39. Now we are given the question 3, A15, B23 and C minus 2 minus 11 are collinear points or not. So we know that we will find three distances AB, BC and AC if the addition of the two smaller answer is equals to the larger answer, and we can say that they are collinear. So first we have to find out AB, and AB equals to under root x2 minus x1 means 2 minus 1 square plus 3 minus 5 square. So it will be 2 minus 1 square 1 square will be 1, 3 minus 5 is the minus 2 square will be 4. So 1 plus 4 it will be root 5. BC we will calculate, then it will be minus 2 square plus minus 11 minus 3 square. So minus 2 that is the minus 4 square 16 and minus 14 square 196, and so its addition will be 6 and 6 12 carry 1, 10 and 1 11 carry 1, 2 1 2. So 2 1 2 factorization we do, that is 4 5 and 3 are, so 4 into means 2 root 53, and AC distance we find out, that is minus 2 minus 1 square plus minus 11 minus 5 square. So minus 2 minus 1, it is the root 3 is 3 square 9, and here 11 5 16 square 2 root 3 6, so it is root 265, and so we can say that they are AB plus 265 we divide by 5, 5 5 is 25, 3 are, and so it is not possible to write in this form, and so 256, so we can say that AB plus BC is not equals to AC, and so they are not collinear points. So now we have the question for that, so that A 5 minus 2, B 6 4 and C 7 minus 2 are the vertices of isosceles triangle. So we want to show that it is isosceles triangle means two sides are equal and third is different. So we will find out three sides AB, BC and AC, and we will show that from that two lengths are equal. So first we find out AB distance by distance formula, and it is 6 minus 5 square plus 4 minus minus 2 square, and so 6 minus 5 square, that is the 1 square plus 6 square, that is 1 plus 36 root 37. Here BC we can find out, that is 7 minus 6 square plus minus 2 minus 4 square. So again it is 1 square plus minus 6 square, so it is root 1 plus 36, it is root 37, and AC we can find out that root 7 minus 5 square plus minus 2 minus minus 2 square, so it is 2 square, and this will be minus minus plus 2, 2 minus 2 0, and so it is 4, and so 2. So here AB equals to BC, and so we can say that they are the vertices of the isosceles triangle. Now question 5 is that in a classroom 4 friends are sitting at the points A, B, C and D. Champal into the class, and after observing for a few minutes asked Champal, do you think ABCD is a square? So from the diagram given in the question we can find out the location of A means the point A coordinates are 3 and 4. So if A is given 3 4, B coordinates are 6 and 7. So 6 7. C coordinates are x-axis y 9 and y-axis 4. So it is 9 4, and D coordinates are 6 and 1. Now your question is that whether they are forming the square or not. So to form a square, all the four sides AB, BC, CD and AD must be equal be required, as well as its diagonal BC and BD must be equal. So if your four sides and two diagonals are equal, then they form the square, otherwise they are not. So for that, first we find out AB distance, the distance formula, that is 6 minus 3 square plus 7 minus 4 square. So it is 6 minus 3 square, 3 square plus 3 square, 9 plus 9, 18, and so it is 3 root 2, because 18 equals to. Now another is given BC. So BC distance we find out, and 9 minus 6 square plus 4 minus 7 square, and so again it is 9 minus 6 3 square, 4 minus 7 3 square, so 3 square plus 3 square 9 plus 9 root 18, so it is 3 root 2. Now CD distance we can find out, and it is 6 minus 9 square plus 1 minus 4 square, so again it is minus 3 square plus minus 3 square, here sorry minus 3 square will come, and so it will be 9 plus 9 root 18, it is 3 root 2. And AD distance we find out, then it will be 6 minus 3 square plus 1 minus 4 square, so we can write down it is 3 square plus minus 3 square, and so it is 9 plus 9 root 18, it is 3 root 2. So we can see that here 4 sides are equal, so it can be the square, but we have to check the diagonal. So diagonal AC we will find out, that it will be 9 minus 3 square plus 4 minus 4 square, so it is 6 square plus 0 square, it is 6 only, and BD we can calculate 6 minus 6 square plus 7 minus 1 square, so again it is 0 square plus 6 square, so again it is 6. So all 4 sides are equal, AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD, and AC equals to BD. So we can say that 4 sides are equal, diagonals are equal, so ABCD represents the square.